Once upon a time, in a quiet suburban neighborhood, two siblings named Lily and Max lived in a cozy house. In their backyard stood an old, gnarled tree that had always intrigued them. They had often climbed it, but one sunny morning, something extraordinary happened. As they ascended the tree's branches, they reached a hidden platform they had never seen before. On this platform was a mysterious door with a golden doorknob that shimmered like the sun. Curiosity getting the better of them, Lily and Max decided to open the door. To their amazement, they found themselves inside a magical treehouse that defied the laws of time and space. The room was filled with books, maps, and relics from different eras in history. At the center of the room was an ancient-looking book titled Chronicles of Time. Lily opened the book, and as she read aloud from its pages, the treehouse began to shake and rattle. Suddenly, they were transported to a new world, a different time. Their first adventure took them to ancient Egypt, where they met a young pharaoh struggling to solve the riddle of the Sphinx. Lily and Max used their wits and teamwork to help the pharaoh decipher the riddle and save his kingdom. Back in the treehouse, they realized they could control their time-traveling adventures by reading from the enchanted book. The siblings decided to use this newfound power to explore the most exciting and important moments in history. They journeyed to medieval times, where they aided a young knight in his quest to rescue a captured princess. In the Renaissance, they met Leonardo da Vinci and helped him complete one of his magnificent inventions. They even visited the future and saw the wonders of technology. But their adventures were not without challenges. In each era, they faced puzzles, riddles, and obstacles they had to overcome. Along the way, they learned valuable lessons about history, teamwork, and the importance of making the most of every moment. As time passed, Lily and Max's bond grew stronger, and their knowledge expanded. They realized that with great power came great responsibility. They decided to use their time-traveling abilities not just for their own amusement, but to make the world a better place.